Hello everyone. In this video, let me guide you how to combine PDF files for free. So let's just go ahead and first create some PDF files which are really required for this tutorial. So first of all, I have copied this document or basically this article from wikigan.com, a website where I am working as an author. And you can see that I have copied that one into the Microsoft Word. Now go to File and now click on Export and now click Create PDF and save it in any place that you desire. So I'm going to save it in the desktop, and aside from that one you can see that I have already created another created another PDF file with the title is how to merge or combine PDF file easily. So let's just go ahead and simply publish it to aside from that one. So everything is right now set up. So now let's begin the process of combining these two PDF files or more into a single file. So first of all, if you open your browser and search for google.com, in that one you have to simply search combine PDF files. You will see that a lot of websites are going to come. Basically, these are all of them online tools that you can use on your Android or in PC. It does not matter since they are online. So just go ahead and open some of them and see which one is a bit better. So I have used the combined PDF file. It can combine up to PDF files at once, and aside from that one, the data or the PDF files will be available for at least 1 hour that you can use to download those files once and for all. So you can see that there are basically a lot of other tools, but in this article we are only looking how to combine the PDF files. That is the required step. So now click upload files and or locate the or basically upload the files that PDF files that you created earlier. In the meantime, you have to keep in mind that you should not or you must not upload your sensitive information for the combination into the online tools at all unless you are 100% sure that this website is not using your data. In the past, I used a bit of sensitive information to combine those files, and suddenly a moment later a call from bank came and said that, are you trying to access this account? And I said, no, I'm not. And right away I needed to change those passwords of my bank account. So you should never upload your sensitive information into these websites. Who knows if they are not going to misuse your information. So after the combination, you have to click on the after uploading, click on combine and now save it in any place, in my case the desktop, and click OK. And now let's just go ahead and open it with the any PDF. So I have opened that with the Brave, or you can use other browsers too. So here is the first article, how to merge or combine PDF file easily. So let's just go ahead and take a look if all steps are totally fine. Let's wait. Yeah, so basically these two are simply combined and everything is good to go, that you can simply combine them. So the first one is uh, PDF, what was the name? Combinedpdf.com. So you have to remember this one, that is one of the best tools that you can use online. So there is also the other tools that I opened. So this time I'm going to upload all the PDF files into these websites, and you can say that you can work on one file for free today. So it is not free, so let's just go ahead and close that one. That is not a good tool and that's not totally free. Open the other tool. So now click on merge and let's wait for it. In the meantime, let's just go ahead and upload the PDF files here. So wait a moment, click download merge PDF and now save it on the desktop. And now, okay, what about this one? It is still uploading. 11 pages, 6 pages. Okay, done. Now click merge and now let's save that one too. Where is it? Now click download file, save it on the desktop block and now save. So let's open them with the Open it with Brave and check it out. It is from ilovepdf.merge and check that out if it is fine or no. uh, yeah, it seems fine at the moment. What about this one? Open with Brave. 6 pages was, or 11 pages, I have not remembered exactly. So yeah, it is working totally fine. So at the moment, basically any online tool can combine your PDF files. Yeah, any PDF files can combine your any online tool can combine your PDF files. So aside from that one, there is also a tool from the Adobe that is basically, let me, I have to open it and show you which, I don't know, I have not exactly remembered. So Adobe Merge, it is called Adobe Merge online tool. So if you open it, uh, it can also work very fine. So mostly people are using the Adobe because you can see that people are trusting that this platform or Adobe is a big company, giant tech company, which basically they are not misusing your data. Still, it's up to you to decide which one you are comfortable to use with. So just to remind you that Adobe has also a tool that can be used to combine your PDF files easily too. But I don't think that it will be permanently free. After a while, maybe 5 or 10, it will ask for you to basically sign up for it and then use them. Now click select the files and now click merge. Okay, these are basically one way that you can use to combine your PDF files. So now the other question is, if you are not interested in the online tool, suppose there are some cases that you don't have any internet connection, specifically in the regions where the network connection is a bit slow, or in the Afghanistan or Pakistan, there are some regions that network does not work at all. And specifically in Afghanistan, if you visit, internet packages are really expensive, so you can't basically use internet for everything in any case. So there is a tool also in Windows 11 that you can download from Microsoft Store, and you can use it to combine your PDF files easily. So that tool is also located, yeah, this article is available inside wikigame.com, that you can get it right now. Hold on please, what was the tool called? I think PDF merge and splitter. Yeah, let's just go ahead and copy this one. This is a tool. Open the Microsoft Store, search for it and download it, and after downloading you can just use it to combine the PDF files easily. Yeah, this is the application, PDF merge and splitter. You can get it. In the meantime, while it's downloading, let me introduce you to another tool that is called tinywow.com. Now it is a new website, basically I think around 5 to 6 months that this site has been launched, and it has tons of amazing new features. And all the files that you are uploading this site will be available at least for 15 minutes, and more than that one, it's going to delete automatically those files from their server. So basically the creator of these websites are basically the site from, I think, Box. Yeah, basically the company called Box has basically designed this website and put these tools for the users. And if you take a look into these files, mostly you will see that the Adobe Acrobat's premium tools are all available here that you can use for free. But aside from that one, I have no idea whether about the security. You can use it yourself if you are 100% sure that it is not going to misuse your information, although they have written in the about section of their website that they are not going to use your information at all at any case. Still, it's up to you, and they are not also promoting any ads, running any ads at the moment that I am recording this video. So one of the tools that this site has, that is PDF merge. I don't know if that is available here, or yeah, search for PDF or merge at the top, and then you will see that PDF merge will appear. Now this website is really cool and amazing, but sometimes this tool is not going to work. Last time that I tried, it gave me some type of error, and mostly it did not combine. And if it combine, it's simply merged instead of the combination. Basically, let's see if it is working or no. If it did not work, then you get the idea that it has some kind of issue. But overall, this website is really cool and it has tons of amazing new features that can be used to basically. Okay, right now you can see that both of the PDF files have been uploaded. Now click on merge, click I'm not a robot, and now it's going to, your file is ready. Okay, click on the download, save to the device. Okay, save it, and now let's open it and check it out if it is working or no. PDF crack. Okay, how to recover, that is, yeah, for now it is working totally fine. Last time it has a bug, so that bug has been fixed. So TinyWire is also one of those tools that I totally recommend that you can use it totally for free. uh, so here you can see that once you click on my files, it's saying that deleting in 13 minutes, or you can just simply manually delete your files right away. So this is the feature that other websites do not have. So okay, right at the moment it is still downloading. Okay, right now it is not downloading. I don't know, for whatever reason. Maybe there is an update from the Microsoft or something. Yeah, exactly, there are updates, that's why it's not downloading. So in any case, the article that I have written about it, it is available inside wikigen.com. Let me, I have to visit that site where I can show you that I have basically written the step-by-step article of this. Let me just simply search for combine PDF, open it. So here you can see that there are all the other steps, and aside from that one, there is the PDF merge and splitter. So for the first step, you have to download it from the Microsoft Store. So after that one, you have to open it and now click on PDF merge and click on add files and locate the PDF files and then open it. After that one, at the bottom, click on merge and now save it in any place that you are cool with it. So basically this is how this tool works, and it is available in the offline mode that you can use anytime that you desire. That is also a tool. So I hope that this video has helped you to learn how to combine your PDF files into a single file. So I hope you're I'll meet you guys in the next video. Have a nice day and goodbye.